Hello and welcome to this video on what would happen if Earth spun at the speed of light. As we know, the speed of light is the fastest speed possible, and nothing in the universe can travel faster than that. So, what would happen if Earth spun at this incredible speed? You can subscribe to watch videos on similar topics. First of all, let's understand the concept of rotational speed. The Earth rotates at a speed of approximately 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This is already a significant speed, and we don't usually feel it because the Earth's rotation is constant. However, if we increase the speed to the speed of light, which is about 670,616,629 miles per hour, the effects would be catastrophic. One of the first things that would happen is that the Earth's shape would change. The centrifugal force caused by the high speed would cause the Earth to flatten at the poles and bulge at the equator, creating an oblate spheroid shape. This shape would be even more pronounced than the one we see today due to the extremely high rotational speed. The increased centrifugal force would also cause the Earth's atmosphere to be stripped away. The air molecules at the equator would be moving at the speed of light, and they would be flung off into space, leaving the planet without an atmosphere. This means that all life on Earth would cease to exist, as we need the atmosphere to survive. Another effect of the high rotational speed would be the increase in mass. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the faster an object moves, the more massive it becomes. Therefore, if the Earth spun at the speed of light, its mass would increase infinitely, making it impossible to even imagine the consequences. In conclusion, if the Earth spun at the speed of light, the effects would be catastrophic, and all life on Earth would cease to exist. The changes in shape, loss of atmosphere, and increase in mass would make it impossible for any form of life to survive. This means that from the perspective of an observer on Earth, time would appear to slow down for objects moving at high speeds relative to the Earth. As a result, a person traveling close to the speed of light would experience time passing slower than a person on Earth. If the Earth were to rotate at the speed of light, this would cause time to slow down significantly on the surface of the planet. Days would appear to last much longer, and time would move slower relative to the rest of the universe. In fact, time would slow down so much that it would effectively come to a standstill at the equator. Additionally, the massive centrifugal forces generated by the rotation would cause the shape of the Earth to become distorted, with the equator bulging out and the poles flattening. This would lead to extreme weather conditions, such as massive storms and hurricanes. In conclusion, if the Earth were to rotate at the speed of light, time would slow down significantly on the surface of the planet, and the planet would become distorted due to the massive centrifugal forces generated by the rotation. This would lead to extreme weather conditions and other physical changes on the planet.